Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining a tight MVP. Focus on 3-5 core features that prove value quickly. Once done, map user flows on one page so you know the screens and data needs. Next, pick your stack, a visual builder for UI, a backend database, and an auth service. Make sure to choose tools that integrate natively. This combination gets you from idea to clickable prototype in hours, not weeks, because you avoid custom coding constraints. You now assemble the interface and structure data. Start by dragging templates and creating reusable components for headers, forms, and lists so changes propagate instantly. Then model your data. Define tables, relationships, validation, and primary keys so the app stays consistent. Once the schema exists, wire UI actions to backend workflows or API calls. Submit forms, trigger automations, and fetch lists. Make sure to test each flow interactively. Small fixes here prevent you reach the finish line by publishing to a staging environment and running end-to-end tests that mimic real users. Once verified, deploy to production and set up monitoring. Track usage metrics, logs, and error alerts so you spot issues fast. If something breaks, reproduce the bug, roll a quick fix, and deploy, then schedule prioritized improvements. One key troubleshooting tip: if integrations fail, check API keys and core settings first, because those
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.